You guys are going to want to pay attention to this. Tip number 1, buy a trailer that people have already done this work for you.
We're back for another Good Time Tuesday. This time we switch it up between the Avion roof and the Airstream painting the interior.
Man, it's a party up in here.
This is the part where I do all the work.
I've been doing all the work. Right now I'm on a beach. Except I can hear the cars over there, which is really ruining it for me. Hey, maybe you should get some more working over there. You doing okay over there?
I'm doing great.
No, it's high.
Harbor Freight brush. One of these work for you. You're gonna paint here then.
I'm gonna paint where?
You're gonna paint these fine.
No, I don't want to do it. You can't see me, but I'm over here working, you know.